The world is full of smoke and mirrors. We all wear masks to hide our fears. There's the fear of not being good enough, always playing it safe, too scared to leave our cave. Fear of failing, so we don't even try. Fear of disappointing others, we'd rather die. And finally, fear of the unknown. Choosing yesterday's security over tomorrow's uncertainty. But although the world is full of smoke and mirrors, we can always choose to face our fears. To stop saying, "I'm fine," when someone asks, "How are you?" To embrace vulnerability and let go of insecurity. So yes, darling, the world is full of smoke and mirrors. The question is, are you brave enough to face your fears? Thank you.